Time for some FPV.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one's recording. I'm standing in the middle of the field, Steve. It's easier. Okay, so I haven't flown FPV in a really long time. Not with the Bixler. So this will be fun. I hope. I haven't decided if I put the goggles on and throw the plane, or if I do it when it's in flight. Hey, 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 here we go. All right. Yeah, bring it up high, Ron. Now I'm under the hood. Hopefully the GoPro has got me. Okay, FPV. Hold altitude. Push the stupid button. Let's get myself out. Hopefully I can see what I'm doing. Whoa! There we go. Yes. I want my camera to center up to. There we go. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, that's so much better. There's my wing. Open my wing, back to my nose. Whoa, Steve! I had drop out then. Run! Hey, run! hear Steve's quad beeping. Oh, I love this pan and tilt. Okay, cool. Well, I see myself, I see the shadow on the track.
André, don't get spooked. I'm right here beside you.
Hey, you know what? When you flew over me with the quad, I blanked. It blanked my goggles, so I'm like, whoa! Oh, the pan and tilt is amazing.
Yeah, I could just imagine.
Like, yeah, when I bank, I can look over my wing. So
I know I was watching it from your on top of your car, and then also Steve let me try his goggles. And
Yeah?
you were looking around with the camera when I tried them. It's cool.
well, so the problem is every time you switch, you've got to reactivate the pan and tilt on the goggles. So I had my hand up on the goggles. So anyhow, future planes will have a stabilizer. So at least I can do a hold mode. So all right, I'm almost ready to land. The only problem, on my last landing, I was too rough, and I popped the camera battery off on the camera on board. So I'm going to come to the right side of the track. Try and be smooth because I knocked the battery out and I lost my footage. Oh, you're not hearing me while I'm talking to myself. I don't want to lose this footage. Oh, I love this thing. Where is he? There he is. Go for Steve. Oh, I love this pan and tilt. Oh, please footage. Hold on. But, oh, that was so much better. Yahoo!
Camera centered.
RF signal low because the plane's over there. Oh, that was so amazing. So amazing. I haven't flown FPV with the Bixler in such a long time. I've really got to get some fresher goggles, I think. Maybe at least some better batteries, because that's what you hear right now. Let's turn that off. Where's that wire? So really, the only thing I had to figure out was where the button was to reset the centering on the pan and tilt, and otherwise it was absolutely amazing. Fingers crossed. It looks like that battery is stable inside the plane. Hopefully we've got that footage and it's still recording. We've got a flight. Yes, awesome. Hope you enjoyed that. I had a ton of fun. It's been a while since I've had my opportunity to go FPV flying. I feel awesome. Thanks.